that's it. As you can imagine, if you are sitting on the loo and trying to do the business, you're probably a bit shaky. So I'm not going to take any shortcuts. That's the timber, and the reason, like I say, the reason that that's waterlogged or something else logged is because of the screws. You can see where the screws were going through here. There's a screw hole there, there's a screw hole there. Soft. And look at that there. Get away from the screw holes. Oh, no, it's still a bit hollow, but not as bad. So hear the difference. Hear that? Okay. So that's obviously hollow and soft, rotten timber. Getting a little bit better there, especially in the corners. You can hear the difference in the corner. There you go. You can see I've pretty well started tearing this floor up, but that stringer there is completely hollow. The timber is rotten, completely rotten, gone, doesn't exist anymore. So that's got to be replaced. We're going to have to pull this part of the floor out. Going to have to pull this cabinet out. My wife's not going to be real happy, or the sink I should say. My wife's not going to be real happy with that. But sometimes these jobs just get bigger and bigger and bigger. We just got to deal with it. We just got to keep going. So I guess I better stop talking and start doing some work. So check this out. This is all of the timber and everything. That's the sink out of the toilet and the cupboard. There's the dunny over there itself, you know. It's out. Well, I guess if you're going to go this far, there's no sense in half doing a job, is there? So, here we go. Got a bit of tidying up to do, hey, check it out. So the stringer's out, we're going to do something with that bulkhead there, and have a look at the stringer after that. I know that I've replaced that's core light up there, so, wow. Oh, isn't this going to be fun? Bit of clean up. I can't wait until it's starting to put it all back together again. That's the fun bit. This bit here is just, it's hard work. So there's the old keel. Bit of a clean up, vacuum, sweep, and get it out. I'll also be getting these pockets out. I'll be using my trusty renovator tool here. Not going to use an angle grinder because I don't want to create too much dust, too much noise or anything else. So I better get into it, eh?